They're arresting me, Ma.
Nobody hit your car.
Okay. Well, why?
Your car is nice, but nobody hit it.
No, because I have that.
No, you have a warrant out of Lake County.
Out of Lake County?
Yeah,
what?
for attempted murder.
Whoa, what?
This encounter sits at the intersection of three doctrines: custodial interrogation, third-party warrant entry, and witness compulsion.
So, all the circled areas, I'm gonna have you fill out.
Yeah.
Look at it this way, bro. If somebody's willing to come up to your car and shoot it,
Yeah.
bro, they don't care about you, man.
Or the person.
He deserves to be behind the fucking bars. Who
Yeah.
does that, dude? Did you ever fire back?
No.
Did you point a gun back?
No.
Did they already ask you all this?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't try to defend yourself?
I didn't. It happened so fast. I didn't get a chance. My gun is in the glove department. It's unloaded. I didn't get a chance to even do anything.
When
the girl was screaming, like, I just have to get out of there.
and she was in the passenger seat?
Yeah.
Do you feel like he was trying to shoot you?
Yeah.
Or your car?
I feel like he was trying to shoot me because he was threatening to drag me.
The officer's verbal assurance, quote, "You're not in trouble," is doctrinally significant. It defeats custody before it can ripen.
No.
Who else in the house besides you?
Me. My friend Ariana. You scared how?
Can you tell Ariana to come out here?
Bad, huh?
Please? Leave the door
I'm
open.
talking about Brandon, from the, yellow?
Is there a boyfriend?
Ex.
Okay, is he here?
No.
Okay. Whose white car is that?
I have that one. So, you scared how?
That's fine. That's fine. Can you ask her to come out here for me real quick? Yeah, just leave the door open for me if you don't mind. Yeah, just keep the door open for me so I can see.
Can I stay here?
Yeah, absolutely. How old are you?
20.
20? Okay. Just come on out here for me.
No.
Not yet. Just hang out for me. What's going on, Tommy?
Summoning occupants outside, rather than crossing the threshold, extinguishes the Stigold exposure entirely. Textbook execution.
When have you been here all night?
No, I got a friend.
Who's your friend?
Dion.
Who?
Dion.
Okay. What happened with him tonight?
We were gonna hang out to smoke and
Okay.
I just honestly don't know what happened after that. Like, everything was just a blur to me.
Meaning what? Like everything what?
Like, whatever
Yeah.
happened.
What happened?
Yeah, I'll grab it.
We were just hanging, and then next thing I know, a car just pulls up, and then he starts reversing mad fast.
Mm-hmm.
And then he tells me that whoever it is, he thinks it is, and then I was like, okay, whatever.
Okay, but what actually happened though while you guys were in the car?
He just started driving mad fast, and then that was it that I remember. Because my bag fell on the floor and all night, like, feet
Okay.
just fell on the floor.
All right. Listen, you're not in trouble right now, okay? We're just trying to figure out what's going on, and we're getting one side of the story, and I'm trying to get yours. But you're leaving out a big portion of what took place over there.
Yeah, that's a whole
So
thing.
what's going on?
Well, all I know is that they just got into a fight, and sorry, I'm so nervous.
It's okay. You don't have to be nervous. You're not in trouble right now, okay?
I just know that they got into a fight, and
Who's they?
Brandon and Dion.
Who's Brandon?
He's just my ex.
Okay, what's his last name? His real last name. So, I'm trying to understand what's going on, okay? And I'm asking for you to help me.
That's just my ex.
Okay, what's his last name?
I don't know.
How do you spell it?
E-I-R-E-I-A.
So what happened while you guys were in the car tonight?
We were sitting there talking, and then I just see like headlights come to the side, and then
Okay.
Dion just starts reversing hella fast.
Okay. So what made him reverse like that?
Someone was shooting shots at the car
Somebody was shooting at the car? Okay. Did you see who that person was?
because I didn't have my glasses on with me.
Okay.
I wear glasses.
Okay. So I understand there's a lot going on right now. I understand you're nervous. You know, the cops are at your house, pulling you out in the middle of the night, asking you questions.
Yeah, I was there.
That's a little. I understand. That's nerve-wracking. Okay. I get that. And I also understand that we're talking about, people who you care about, okay? I understand that. But it's important that you're being honest with me and that you're telling me everything you know, okay? At the end of the day, we've got, multiple people involved here, so this isn't all on you, okay? What I'm trying to understand, though, is your, version of what happened. Okay, we take everything that we get into account, but I need to understand that I need to know that you're telling me the truth and you're telling me everything you know.
That's all I honestly know. All I know is that.
Did you recognize the vehicle that pulled up towards you guys?
No.
What, you didn't see what color it was, what kind of car it was, anything?
Honestly, everything was really fast, I swear to God.
Did you hear any loud, like, gunshot noises or anything like that?
Yeah, like a couple.
Okay. So you did hear gunshots, but you didn't see who pulled up?
No, I didn't get to see that because I was rolling. So I was looking down, and then Dion just was reversing really fast. And then everything fell, so I'm trying to grab everything, and then I heard the shots.
Would you be willing to write like down on paper what happened? Just your version of the story?
Oh, sure.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license or anything? All right.
The refusal to write a statement implicates the Fifth Amendment and the absence of any duty to assist police absence subpoena.
It's not like a huge, big, crazy thing.
I'm sorry?
She said she doesn't want to.
You don't want to? Okay. I mean, it's up to you. Okay.
She's afraid to tell you.
I mean, like I was saying out by the car, I understand that's, like I said, we're waking up in the middle of the night. You had a pretty traumatic event happen earlier, and we don't want you to be hurt. We don't want your friend to be hurt. We don't want anybody to be hurt. That's why we're trying to do what we're doing. So it's completely up to you if you want to write a statement. But the only way we can do our job is with the help of the people that are involved. You don't want to right now? Okay.
The victim's volunteered firearm disclosure illustrates the Fifth Amendment ceiling. It protects against compulsion, not improvidence.
They're arresting me, Ma.
Nobody hit your car.
Okay. Well, why?
Your car is nice, but nobody hit it.
No, because I have
no,
that.
you have a warrant out of Lake County.
Out of Lake County?
Yeah,
what?
for attempted murder.
Whoa, what?
We don't know the details on the report, but from what the warrant reads is that you shot at somebody.
I don't even have a gun.
Okay. So I don't know. Like I said,
no, for real, I don't have a gun.
Okay.
Real.
Is your driver's license in your wallet?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
Okay. He's my supervisor's on the phone with the detectives. They'll be able to.
Never gets in trouble with nobody.
Okay. They'll be able to divulge, information that they're able to provide you, and the stuff they can't provide you. Then
Okay.
He'll have to tell you about that.
Oh
Okay.
my God.
So just give us a second.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
But we're going to be as transparent as possible, but let him finish the conversation because I don't want to overstep,
No,
with
it's
anything.
fine.
But there
like,
is a warrant for his
but
arrest. That's why we're here.
He never gets in trouble. Like,
I know.
Unfortunately,
Unfortunately, he was involved in something to where he's in trouble for right now.
Oh my God.
His car isn't damaged or anything. We just didn't want anybody getting injured. Trying to apprehend him, we wanted everything to be cool, calm, peaceful, and collected.
Thank you. I mean, it's.
Because God forbid he's driving and we're behind him trying to get him stopped, and he, thinks something's weird. We just didn't want anybody getting hurt. That's all.
So, did he kill somebody? I mean.
No, he didn't kill anybody.
Because I'm like, he never gets in no trouble. Like.
I mean, what he's accused of is pretty serious. But,
Yes.
Yeah.
Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, warnings attach only when interrogation occurs in custody, never involuntary field contact. Stansbury versus California, 1994, makes that custody inquiry objective. Would a reasonable person feel free to leave? Payton versus New York, 1980, authorizes warrant-based entry into a suspect's own dwelling on reason to believe he is present. Stigold versus United States, 1981, forecloses that same entry into a third party's home absent search warrant or consent. Colorado versus Connolly, 1986, locates voluntariness in police conduct. Honoring refusal preserves admissibility downstream. Florida versus Bostick, 1991, supplies the consensual encounter test. Departure was never foreclosed. Consent endures. The victim's volunteered firearm disclosure illustrates the Fifth Amendment ceiling. It protects against compulsion, not improvidence. Voluntary statements made in non-custodial settings without warnings are fully admissible against the declarant under settled precedent. Lessons. For officers, scripting, you are not in trouble and free to leave, costs nothing, and forecloses Miranda litigation. For officers, when the subject is housed with non-specs summon outward, never enter on an arrest warrant alone. For civilians, the right to remain silent is exercised by remaining silent. Volunteered facts forfeit the protection. For civilians, refusing a written statement is lawful. Officers may persuade, but absent a subpoena, no duty to memorialize exists. Doctrinally, Payton and Stegall together require officers to verify whose home they are entering before relying on an arrest warrant. The footage records a constitutionally clean interaction because each doctrinal tripwire was identified and avoided in real time. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.